Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you something quick but incredibly useful: how to write Subscript in Notion, the 2025 version. If you've ever needed to create scientific notes, math formulas, or just want your documentation to look a little more polished with subscripts, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be adding subscripts like a pro, whether it's chemical equations like H2O, math notations, or anything else that requires a lower number or letter right after your main character. Let's jump right in. Now, you might already know that Notion doesn't have a built-in subscript button on the toolbar. But don't worry, it does have a smart workaround. We're going to use Notion's equation feature, which taps into LaTeX, a powerful way to format mathematical and scientific notation. To start, just open up the page or section in Notion where you want your subscript to appear. Place your cursor. Maybe you're building lecture notes, a project plan, or a cheat sheet for chemistry. Wherever you're writing, the process is the same. The first thing you're going to do is type a / on your keyboard, then immediately type the word equation. This brings up Notion's equation block. Sometimes when you type equation, Notion will auto-suggest the block, and you just need to hit enter or click to select it. The equation block is basically a mini playground for formatting anything mathematical, sort of like giving your notes a secret superpower. Once your equation block has appeared, it's time to write the text of your equation or notation. Here's where the subscript magic happens. In Notion's equation block, it understands a special syntax called LaTeX, which lets you create formatted text. Subscripts are a breeze with this. All you need to do is type the letter or symbol you want, then type an $_ right after it, and then the number or letter that you want to appear as a subscript. So, for example, if you're writing H2O, you'd type capital H _2, then capital O, all as part of your equation. Notion will automatically display the 2 as a neat little subscript under the H, just like you'd see in a textbook or scientific paper. This underscores concept is worth remembering. Even if you want something more complicated, like X1, or even a sequence like CO2, just use the underscore each time you want part of your equation to drop down as a subscript. Picture the underscore like a little elevator button that tells Notion, "Hey, lower this piece of text for me." It's a simple trick, but really effective. If your equation doesn't look right at first, don't worry. LaTeX syntax is pretty forgiving in Notion, so you can just click on your equation block and edit it. Try swapping out numbers and letters after the underscore, or even use curly braces if you want to include more than one character in your subscript, like typing a example, and Notion will put example down as the subscript, and that's really all there is to it. Type an equation, use your underscore for subscript, and you're set. Take a moment to try it out. This part might take a few seconds as you get used to the idea, but once you've done it once or twice, you'll find it comes naturally. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps out. If you have any questions about equations or Notion tricks, just drop a comment below. And if you want more how-tos like this for Notion and other productivity tools, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.